how you guys doing? Comment below where you're tuning in from. That'd be awesome. I'd love to hear from you. And this make money online secret is very important. No matter what you're doing, no matter what business you're going to get into, right? Then these facts are imperative for your success. Very important. So don't miss the ending. Do not miss it, because we are going to go over some things that are also very important for your success that people should really know about, but it tends to seem like by the numbers they don't, right? So we want to go over that to start, and then we are going to get into the big secret about being able to earn and make money online, right? That's what people want to do. But why does it seem so hard? Why do people have trouble? Why do people make them less than $500 in a year online? Why is that? So let's talk about fact number one. Very important. Let's say you're going to purchase a McDonald's franchise and you're going to start a business, okay? You're not going to start a business from home. You're going to start a business, brick and mortar business, which is totally different and has its, well, honestly, if you do that, you have to run back and forth. It's a big time sucker. You got to think about employees, supplies, you know, the whole, it's a big deal and takes a lot of time, usually at least 80 hours a week. I mean, it's a pretty amazing thing to start a business in that respect. But because you can start a home business that has lots of perks and you are not stuck with a traditional brick and mortar place, which means you can do it at home, you can set your hours, and there's just so much more freedom in being able to work from home, that it's a winner for most people, because people like that. They like simple and easy. They can be there with their kids. Maybe they're homeschooling. They can be home and take care of their kids and work from home. I mean, it's that kind of a game changer from doing the brick and mortar kind of places to just working from home. It is very important. But the main thing with this, and what I want to bring out, is if you're not consistent when you start a business, whether you get a McDonald's or whether you decide you're going to work from home and delete all the expense and all the headaches that come with working with brick and mortar, if you're going to do that, you have to be consistent. Now, sure, people say, well, yeah, if I'm going to go ahead and get a McDonald's, I'm definitely going to be consistent, because it's going to cost me, and it's a lot involved, very expensive venture. Yet you're not going to just blow it off, because you want to make it work. So you have to be consistent, right? It's very important to be consistent. So that's the point. Very important for you to be consistent if you start a business from home. A cost is way better. You don't have to hire a bunch of people. I mean, the perks go on and on. You can go to Florida for a month and still be able to do what you do from home. It's really a blessed way to earn money from home. It is so much easier. Cost is better. And of course, you have to be consistent, and you have to have that commitment that you're going to do it every week. I mean, you don't start a job, right? You don't start a job and then decide when you're going to work. No, you start a job and you go to work consistently, and you're committed, because if you don't get paid. Same thing for a home business. You start one, you are committed, and you go to work and you work on your home business. And because you're committed and you're consistent, that is the door open for success. It really is. It's very important that these two things, because if you're going to start a home-based business and you figure, well, I'll just do it when I want to, it works that way, right? It doesn't matter because it's easier. No, it does matter. And it works. You have to be committed and consistent. It works exactly the same way any other business does if you're going to really make money. It's very important you know that. It's very important you understand that, because even though that's not quite the secret, it is part of what you have to do to have a business, which is nothing. Everybody, you want to do that. So it's very important that you commit and are consistent, and we are going to get to the big secret. What it is that makes a business successful and what it is that makes it why you fail. What's the deal with that? So the big secret really is a lot of people, they start a home-based business and they start doing stuff online that makes no difference. Doesn't bring in any money. It has nothing to do with them getting their business off the ground and being able to have success. It has nothing, yet they spend hours and days and weeks and maybe a month doing stuff that doesn't matter, doesn't earn them anything, and then of course what happens? They quit. And we don't want that. We want the secret. What is the secret? And really the secret is doing the activities that a lot of people, you know, don't know. Just somehow they get caught up in doing stuff that doesn't matter. We want to do stuff that matters. That's the key. The secret is being able to do stuff that matters. Wouldn't it be great to know what to do, right? That's the secret, to know what to do. To be able to plug into all the things, a duplicatable system that gives you the secret, you know, actually lays it out for you. I mean, wouldn't that be awesome? I mean, everybody'd be making money if that was the way it could be, but most people don't find it, don't know, just spend a lot of time wasted and don't get anywhere, don't make any money. But we want you to make money. And the big secret is doing activities that make you money. It's very important to have that. You know, very important that every day you spend that time you have, whatever it is, a couple hours, whatever it is that you have that you're going to spend to do your business, you spend that time doing the things that count. You definitely want to do the things that count. And one thing that really counts too is you have to have people looking at your business. I mean, that's called traffic, right? You have to have a amount of people looking at your business, being able to see what you have and wanting to be able to do the same thing. That's really important, to have people coming through your front door. And there's a lot of things involved with that, but that is the bottom line. Traffic is the lifeblood of your business. People hear that. It's true. And there's bad traffic. That's why some people get involved with doing this or that. Someone says, well, just get these clicks, do this, that. And, you know, by the time you spend the money on the traffic, maybe one person gets in and it's like $100 for the traffic and $7 for the sale. I mean, that isn't going to work, is it? So, you know, it's really important you have traffic that converts and traffic that turns sales into making money. That's really a very important key. And then a way to get organic traffic, right? So you put the two together and you've got a recipe for success. You really do. And you're like, well, what do I do? How do I do that? Well, I have a system that gives me that exact secret sauce. You know, you get your traffic that converts, that works, and then your organic traffic. Those two together make an incredible. I've made over $10,000 online doing this, and it works so well. I don't spend a lot of hours doing it. I do the activities that make the money, right? I do the right things, and everything's laid out. And that's really the secret. If you've got something that shows you, not old stuff people put up, you know, and leave up, and it's outdated and old and doesn't work. Ours work because I'm proof it works. I have a proof video that shows I'm making good money, and it is important that you know the secret, because if you get into something, you don't know what to do, chances are you're going to spend a lot of time doing stuff that isn't going to help you, isn't going to give you that success you want, and you want it. And that's it, you know. The secret is to get in a duplicatable system that teaches your people the same thing you're doing, that you're making money with, and, you know, you take off from there. You really do, and you're helping a lot of people, which I really enjoy being able to do, is helping people with success in a system that has all of this built in. You don't have to create it, which new people don't know how to do. And yet you're taught the basics of getting all that put together. Very easy to do. You just plug into it. That's simple. You do a couple hours a day work, and you're doing the right things to make the money, to make a success of what you're doing. And that's what we're after, right? We're after success. And it just makes a huge difference. so you can make money online. This secret is key. It really is, because a lot of times you get into business, you don't know what to do. Your upline says something, but they don't really hold your hand and show you what they are doing and how to get there and what to do exactly that will make you a success. Usually never happens, but I'll tell you what, we have that secret tied up in a bow in a box, ready for you to unwrap and enjoy success. So go to my website below, find out what we're doing, how you can get involved. We have price points for everyone. No one's left behind. It's incredible and an excellent way. I highly recommend, because if you're looking for a 2021 that has never been better, this is your ticket. You earn money, you have an extra income stream or an income stream, and you know exactly what to do. And isn't that a relief to know that, to be able to know that? So thanks for listening. Bye from Alaska. Go to my description and check out my link, and look forward to seeing you. Thanks.